Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone.
So let's see what's going on here. We got Krishna. What you doing, Krishna?
Watering the garden. How it coming? How it coming?
Real nice. A lot of time.
Looking good, right?
Yeah. I bought this one in New York for planting, and the guy gave me banana tree. This only could grow that much, right? Or it could grow more big.
Should grow more big, but when it grow, what you say is banana?
Yeah.
So when it grow and it hang over this fence, see, and it bear planting, now who planting?
Mine, of course.
They have a banana tree bear planting.
So guys, check it out, check out my garden. A lot of time, I got a lot of time.
What else you got? Pepper, right?
A lot of pepper, we got pimento, we got some mint here. All these are Pholouri pepper.
You pick some for cook today? Or you not ready for pick yet?
Yeah.
I'm also gonna try add some mint into it. One, you get another big one here. See?
We're not adding in a lot of seasoning because we're frying it first. Check out my toy. Get some of these ones.
So yes guys, so I see I have my fish prep here. I already seasoned it. Like I said, I'm gonna fry it first and then I'll make curry. So I got a little bit of seasoning here and a little bit of masala and stuff like that. I'll fry it first and then I'll make the curry.
Look real nice. Fresh snapper from Guyana.
You got the Pholouri going here. I'm not making a lot, probably about a pound or so. I got the first set finished here. See how this is looking?
Use the poi bhaji from
Looking
my garden.
good. You also add some poi bhaji from it. You can see that. But this is looking real yummy here. Use this as cutters. And this is my organic snapper fish here. Come all the way from Guyana. Can't get any fresher than this and any healthier than this, right? This is not farm raised. This is right off the Atlantic Ocean in Guyana. So this is some healthy fish we're cooking here today. So we got the fried fish going here, the fried snapper. Like I was saying earlier, we'll fry this. So yes, look what I got here. I got the whole egg from a snapper here. So I'm gonna fry this up before we make the curry.
Let's see how big it is.
See? This is what the snapper egg looks like. It's a whole big piece of egg here. You can see this? Alright, so let's put this into fry.
We got this one finished. This set. And this set we're gonna cook the curry with. We have everything prepped.
Alright, so that's coming along good there.
Yeah, and our neighbor is having fun tonight. Long weekend.
Yep, but then you have to have fun, right?
What are you doing?
Clean as I go along, right? So it doesn't get piled up. And a lot of work remain at the end, so while we mess it, we clean it up at the same time. Manje bartan he.
Yeah. Become manji and well good and proper.
So look guys, this is fried up here. I don't want to fry it too much. Like I said, we're gonna curry this. I just don't want it to loose up in the curry, right? So I stiffen it up a little bit. See? This is looking
Wow,
real good here.
it's huge.
This is a big egg here.
Snapper egg, yum yum.
Yep.
We didn't have that in a while, right?
Yeah, we mostly get the Gildaka one, right? So snap egg you hardly get, but this is real good.
Check it out, guys. And what's going on here? Hello?
I have a joke for you all. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Look.
Look who?
Look through the people and you'll find out.
Oh, wow, Jenna.
So cheers guys, look what I got here. I got some Antiguan rum here. Antiguan Harbor, a 5-year-old.
We get that when we went to Antigua a couple of years back.
Yep, about 4 or 5 years ago, right? Cheers, this is really good. It got a nice rum flavor to it, but can't beat the Guyana taste, right? Guyana rum is the best one.
El
But it's
Dorado.
El Dorado, but it's a second to that. Cheers.
Yay, cheers. Enjoy your weekend.
So we got the curry going in here. We got the masala, curry powder, and some other seasoning going. That's smelling real good there. So we got some tomato in there. We're gonna put some water in, and we'll put the fish towards the end because we fried it already. So it's mostly done. Man, this is smelling good fish. It's gonna make me sneeze. So look who we got here. We got the man himself here, Ethan himself here. We got some, we're gonna do some tasting. We got a Pholouri, and we got the snapper fry fish. Ethan got Gatorade here. He's feeling
What about my mango
hot.
sour?
Oh, you got mango sour too. Can't forget this. Ethan, try a piece. Fish, fish.
Ethan loved the Pholouri, that's why he run there fast. He was munching it early.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Fish
Wow,
is good.
Ethan.
Excellent, excellent fish.
You know what kind of fish is that, Ethan?
The fish come all the way from Guyana, bye.
Snapper, snapper.
Alright, try your Pholouri now. Go ahead. Ethan is not gonna try the Pholouri with the sour. So I'll have to try that. See some mango sour. Gotta eat it with some mango sour. Try it.
10 out of 10.
Wow, Ethan, wow. And I got the stuff that I put in there from my garden. From our garden, my bad.
Ethan already give the rating, so I'm just gonna enjoy it.
What are you
Can't beat
drinking,
this, right?
Ethan?
Gatorade.
And you hot, you always in your vest, right?
Yeah.
So we got the curry ready. We're adding in the fish here to make the fish curry. And like we were saying earlier, we fry the fish. So this is not gonna be too long, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be real quick. And it's gonna be fish curry.
And
And
of
rice.
course, we gotta put in our
Take a bite, take a bite. You look like you want to take a bite there.
our egg.
That's the main
Snap
part
egg.
there, right?
Yeah.
You're very excited for that.
Yeah. And it's, you know, it's gonna take like 5 minutes or so. See, real nice. We got some mango, some okra.
You got some saijan.
No, I didn't put
You
saijan.
didn't put saijan? Oh, I thought you had saijan. Okay, my
I
bad.
do have, but I didn't put it. The kids said they want to eat it chatak matak style. So yeah, check it out.
All right, this is
Check it out. Oh my god.
this is looking real good, real good.
Yeah.
So yes, guys, the curry done here. We also got some egg inside, and we're putting some finishing touch here
Yeah.
with some scallion.
And check it out. Ethan just requested this, so I have to hurry up with the egg. You see?
Oh,
My
that's the
snapper egg
that's
came
the
out.
fish egg,
Mm-hmm.
and the other one is
perfect.
fowl egg.
Yeah,
So this is looking real good, real good. I can't
Yeah.
wait to eat this, right?
it's done. I don't want to turn it up so it could break.
So look, dinner is ready. I got my rice with my snapper curry. I got okra inside here. I got mango. I got egg. I got pimento pepper
From our garden.
from our garden. And look, The main event is right here. Look at this. Can't go wrong with this, right? Let me dig into it and see what's going on here. Man, this is cooked all the way in. Take a bite. Ethan, you gotta try this. This is heaven. How's your fish curry and rice?
10 out of 10.
Ethan almost done. You want some more, Ethan?
No.
And Jen getting a treat today. She won Popeyes, right? Any jokes?
Not right now.
Okay, enjoy.
Jana is eating. She don't want to get disturbed when she's eating.
Yeah. She loves Popeyes.
Up top dog, you don't know. Let me go. I have to enjoy my life back again. Throw away all my worries, the headache and pain. I come to tell you again. You don't know my name.